When building ACAP applications, the initial process of creating the base application can take up a significant amount of time. That's why FixedIT has created Fab, a set of tools, libraries, and templates that allows us to make ACAP applications in just a few seconds. In this video, we will go through what Fab can do, how it improves our workflow, and we will also create an example application to see exactly how it works. Fab allows us to use templates to create basic ACAP applications. This expedites our process when developing new applications because the base application is built with one single command. And then we can focus our time on developing and optimizing the features that are specific to each project. Another benefit of using templates is standardization. Since all of our applications are created using these templates, they share the same set structure and tools. This means that users that have multiple applications will have a much easier time going between them than if each of them had been handcrafted from scratch. We have templates for different SDKs and different functionalities, so we can use a template that best matches the needs of the current project and minimize the amount of modifications needed. With this being said, let's see the tool in action. For this example, I will be using the template ACAP3 parent web, which will create an application that includes a web page form that asks for server URL and password. It will automatically fill the form using the most recently used values, which means that if we're using the application to always log into the same server using the same password, we will not have to retype those each time we log in. It will also automatically hide sensitive information, such as passwords, when reloading the most recent values. We're in the currently empty example folder. Let's create an application. I will indicate the SDK, in this case SDK3. The advantage of creating an application using SDK3 is that it gives us better compatibility on the range of cameras it can be installed in. You can find a link on the description with more information in which SDK you should use for which situations. Next, I will choose the type of application, in this case a parameter handling web application. Then let's call it example. As you can see, we can then provide some additional information such as the hostname and the architecture. If left blank, it will use the default values for the build tool, which it will get from the fab configuration file. This means that its developer can have their own configuration file adapted to the camera that they are prototyping with. The hostname provided will not affect the application, only the command line scripts used for prototyping. And in this case, we will also use the default value for the architecture, but the application can, of course, be built for any architecture. We can now see that the application has been created, and we can go ahead and install it into our camera. We can see that the application has been installed. Let's check if it works correctly. And then let's provide a password. Great, we can see that it works correctly. That was all about Fab and how we use it. We have a lot of other videos on the channel about ACAP application development, and if you want more information, you can always reach out to us at FixedIT. Thank you so much for watching.